Welcome to our comprehensive guide on finance. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of finance, starting with its definition and significance. Finance is the study of money management and the process of acquiring needed funds. It's a broad term that describes activities associated with banking, leverage or debt, credit, capital markets, money, and investments. We'll delve into the key components of finance, including personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. Personal finance involves managing individual or family financial activities like budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for retirement. Corporate finance focuses on how companies manage their funding sources, capital structuring, and investment decisions. Public finance, on the other hand, deals with government revenues and expenditures and how they affect the economy. Understanding finance is crucial for both personal and professional growth. It helps individuals make informed decisions about saving and investing, and aids businesses in effective capital management. We'll also cover the practical applications of finance in everyday life, from creating a budget to making investment choices. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of finance, providing you with the knowledge and tools to navigate this essential field.